Hello, my name is Valérien Dior. I'm a professor of law at the Université de Bretagne Occidentale, and I'm also a member of the Institut Universitaire de France. Well, I would say that we have several assets. First, we are supported by an innovation share from the Institut Universitaire de France throughout 2022 to 2027 on social media regulation, and that enables us to organize global events at a national, European, and international level. I would also underline the fact that we have a young team of researchers, early career researchers, PhD students, doing some research at the intersection of law and technology. And finally, we are working in a very stimulating research center, the LabLex, with spanning wide legal expertise, and that's a good asset to organize events, to teach, to do some research.
My name is Emmanuelle Génin. I'm a research director at INSERM, which is the French National Institute of Health and Medical Research. And I'm the head of the lab entitled Genetic Functional Genomics and Biotechnology here in Brest at the University of Bretagne Occidentale. So our research team is quite a large team because we are about 100 people and we have various expertise in genetics, going from functional genetics towards population and statistical genetics, and we also have a team working on microbiome, so metagenomics. And so we are conducting biomedical research focus on understanding how the genome works and understanding the genetic basis of traits. And so from this fundamental knowledge, we are also trying to develop some new treatment for patients to help solve, in fact, this genetic defect. And so to do that, we have these fundamental works both on the genomes, but also the expression of the genomes. And we have a team working, for example, on alternative splicing and how this could be used also to better understand the impact of genetic variant. And we have also a team working on the development of gene therapy with non-viral vectors for the delivery of the molecule. So this is a continuum that allows us to really have this translational research for the benefit of patients. So collaborating with other researchers abroad, and especially researchers in the different universities from the CEU Alliance, will of course offer us many opportunities to share knowledge and to develop new collaboration. And we can expect to also work together, for example, especially in the field of rare disease, because our lab is focused on rare disease, and it is very important when working on rare disease to be able to exchange with external collaborators to make sure we can also have more data. And also for these rare disease, when we found a gene, a variant in a gene, or a different variant within a gene, it's important to be able to see if other partners have found the same variant in their own patient, because most of the time it's only a few number of patients that are concerned, and it's very important to compare and see if it allows us to make sure this is true findings, and also it can allow us to better understand how the gene defect could impact, in fact, health by comparing the phenotypes of different patients. It will also offer our younger researcher in particular the opportunity to exchange and work on other environments, and I think it's really important, especially at the starting of a career in research, but also later on during the research career, to be able to see how other people work and develop some new collaboration cooperation with other people. So I'm very enthusiastic about working with other team in the CEU Alliance. And in particular, we have also a project here where, at the national level, where we are collecting information about the genetic diversity in the French population. And I know that other people in the Alliance are also working to do that in their own countries. So it will be good to share. And I know there are European projects ongoing for having this genome of Europe. So it might be a good opportunity for us to work together.